guys, I'm Maddie. I'm from Spokane, Washington, and I'm going to be studying psychology at the University of Idaho. These next few weeks are huge. I'm starting sorority recruitment, orientation, and my first week of college. I'm gonna bring you along for the ride. Let's go. Okay, I'm saying bye to my little dog Tina. I don't know when I'll see her next, but bye Tina. Now I'm going to my favorite coffee place to get some breakfast and some coffee before I hit the road. Bye, have fun at college. Okay, I got a Red Bull with desert pear and white peach, and then I got a sausage sandwich, so now I'm gonna hit the road. We stopped for a little treat at Fonk's because we just wanted a little break on the way, and then we're gonna head to Moscow. So we just left Colfax and we're on the way to Moscow now. I just think it's so crazy that I'm finally here because just last November I had no idea where I wanted to go to college at all until I went to Envision. And now I'm actually going here. Like U of I was literally the only college I applied for and I committed there and I just knew I wanted to go to U of I. So we just got here and now I'm going to check in and get my key to my room and grab my suitcases and get my bins checked in. So yes. Okay, I got my name tag and I got my bag, my grade class bag, and I'm so excited and I'm going to get my key now. Now we're bringing my stuff inside. Everyone's helping me and I'm gonna go check into my dorm. I have my bed all set up and now we're gonna go explore. So I have an on-campus job, so I just went to the HR department really quickly to fill out my I-9 so I can get my campus job started ASAP, and now we're gonna go get lunch. We just got lunch at Stack's. I forgot to record it because I was so hungry and I just really ate my sandwich fast, but it was super yummy and I definitely will be coming back. Okay, I went back to my dorm really quick and I got changed and I freshened up a little bit, and now I'm going to head to the ICCU arena for kickoff. Okay, so we're walking to the Pittman building now to go do tabling, and I'm really excited. I don't know what it's like, but I can't wait to see. I'm Maddie, and I'm here with
Ava. I'm Reese. Sophie.
So how do you guys feel post-tabling? Like, how did you feel about the whole talking to everyone?
It was really good. It was fun. It was nice to be surrounded by a bunch of like girls who care about sisterhood and things like that.
Okay, I'm about to go to bed now, but honestly, I had a really fun day. Getting to talk to all the sororities was so much fun, and it really made me feel better about tomorrow going into recruitment. And at first, when my parents first left, I was a little bit sad, but we got with our Bro Gamma group and it was really like hype and excited, so that made me feel a lot better. But the room's a little bit hot, but that's okay. I'm on the second floor, so it's not as bad as it could be. But I'm gonna go to bed, get good rest, and then I'll check back in the morning when I get ready for my first day of recruitment. And I'm so excited because today was really fun. It was just really fun and it went by so fast. It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm going to get ready with the first day of rush. I'm really tired, but I still feel excited though. I'm so tired. I'm not used to getting up this early, and that's okay.
Hey friends, this is future Maddie. So the day after tabling is conversation day, where you go to all 10 sororities and you just have conversations with them, normally with a few different girls, and you go to all 10 of the sororities with your recruitment group. Okay, now we're all eating breakfast and I'm gonna ask everyone how they slept last night.
It was so hot, but except for that, it was alright. I had a great talk with all my little bunk mates, but it was so hot. Yeah, me and my roommates all were like talking all night, and then I slept good, and it wasn't that hot in my room.
Okay, we're standing in line. We have 3 minutes before we go into our first house ever. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous. I'm excited but nervous.
Me too. Okay, so we're done with the first 3 chapters and now we're going to lunch. But I had a really good time at all of the chapters. I genuinely enjoyed like all the conversations, and it kind of just felt like they were my friends when I was talking to them, which was really fun. And I'm really excited to tour the rest of them because I've been having so much fun.
Okay, so it was really awesome experience. I already felt like comfortable with some of the houses already, which was really exciting because being away from home, it's definitely nerve-wracking. But some of them I kind of forgot all about that, and I was just talking to them like I was just like genuine friends with them. So that was really awesome. We're off to lunch, but I definitely am excited for the rest of the day to see what the day holds. So yeah.
Okay, we just got done with our very last round for the day, and now we're gonna pick the like order. How do you guys feel?
Good. Great. I'm happy.
I loved it. I loved it. So now we're going to the Pittman Center to pick our like preferences, I guess. So yeah. So we get back our sororities for community day, and then that day it's pretty similar to the previous day, but it's more personal because you have a little bit more time with the sororities.
Okay, I just had breakfast and I'm feeling really nervous to find out which chapters I got invited back to, but I'm also really excited because then I get to find out where I go for the day. But I'm definitely pretty nervous. Like I had a pit in my stomach, but I'm trying to be positive because one of my Rogams told me that like see it positively, like even if you don't get invited back, then the house you wanted to, like think about the houses that did invite you back. So I'm trying to be really positive.
We're doing some breathing exercises because we're so nervous to find out. So we're just like trying to do some breathing exercises. I just got done with a chapter that I love so much. The conversation was really fun and I'm really excited about it. Now we're walking to another chapter together. And how do you feel?
I feel great. We're walking through Hello Walk right now, which is really fun.
Hello?
Yep, hello. There's no one to say hello to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just got done with a break, headed to the next chapter. Should be fun.
Yep. Bye.
I can barely talk. I've done so much talking today. It's currently, I think, what time is it? It's 9:51 and I've been awake since 5 a.m. because I couldn't sleep because I was so nervous.
After community day, this was one of my favorite days actually. It's Sisterhood Day. Okay, I just got done with dinner and I have one more house left. I went to 3 houses today so far and 2 of them I literally loved. I cried twice at one of the houses. Like I connected with the girls so much. I literally just started crying. It was really great though. The Sisterhood Day was by far my favorite day because I'm such a sentimental person that the Sisterhood Day was like, and I love touring the houses and yeah, it's really fun, but I have to go to one last house. I just had dinner. I'm feeling good, but yeah. This sunset is like no other. It's so beautiful. After Sisterhood Day, then it's Preference Day, and that's the fanciest round, so you only go back to 2 sororities that day. Okay, I haven't updated in a while, but I went to the one that I didn't prefer and it went okay, and then I went to my favorite house and I ended up only picking that one. So I just had a really strong feeling about it and I didn't maximize my options like they recommend to do. But I feel confident in my decision and I feel really good about it. Now we're on the final day, which we call bid day. Bid day is where you sit in a room with all of the other girls that are going through sorority recruitment. You get an envelope and then you open up your envelope and see which sorority you got into. It's really exciting, it's really crazy, and the emotions are high. We're walking to our seats. We're so nervous but so excited.
3, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go green!
Woo! 3, 2, 1.
ELTA, one letter, that's all we say. ELTA, one letter. So after all of the sorority members find their homes, we lined up along the street and we watched the fraternity members run home to their homes. And this is super fun because they're really hyped. Some of them have dogs, some of them go there through trucks, and it's really crazy and super fun to see. I haven't seen anything like it before, and everyone's just really hyper, and it's fun to see other people find their homes. We just checked in at the orientation and we got cute little bags with like a bunch of stuff in it, and we're really excited about it. Yeah. Good morning. I woke up this morning and my dad came from Spokane to pick me up to go to all the orientation stuff with me. So we're really excited.
3, 2, 1. Like, if, you know, we could just defeat engineering, like, you know, the forces of good will prevail.
We just finished the Vandal family send-off, and now he's gonna drop me back off at my sorority. Bye! Okay, we are at the Target run. It's a tradition every year, and the Target is completely closed off to the general public, and it's only Vandals in here. Only Vandals. So it's super fun. We have these little tickets. Hopefully we win some stuff, and it's really crazy in here. Everyone's just walking around. It's super fun. You guys, the lines are so long. It's actually insane. Then on Saturday, we went to Palousafest, and I met my friend Will here. He's in Phi Delt here at the U of I, and I just asked him a few things about how his experience was. We walked around, went to some of the booths, and I got a snow cone and some popcorn, which is really yummy. Me and my lovely sisters are going to the Vandal Walk and the Vandal Photo, and we're really excited. And then it was Sunday, and we went to the Kibbe Dome to take the Vandal photo. And then after that, we listened to the dean say some stuff, and then we got to watch the band and the spirit team, and I was really impressed. That was so fun to watch them. And we also learned some cheers, which will come in handy for football games. After that, we walked to the ICCU arena, where we then got to eat food and have a little barbecue. I'm about to go to my first class ever. It's my first day of classes, and I'm super excited. I'm in front of Tridel, and I have all my friends here. We're all taking little class photos to send to our moms, but yeah, super fun. Wow, I cannot believe it's already been over 2 weeks since I've been here at the University of Idaho. I've done so much. I went through sorority recruitment, I found my home on bid day, I went on a rafting trip with my sorority, which I didn't record because I didn't want to take my phone on the raft. I went to a flower picking sisterhood. I went to Vandal Scramble for a little bit. I went to Palousafest. I went to the Vandal Walk. I went to various barbecues. I went to the Vandal family send-off. I had a permanent bracelet sisterhood. I started my first day of classes, which I'm honestly loving, so fingers crossed that I'll continue to love them. And I've just had such a fun time being here at the University of Idaho, being really involved in all these activities. And there are definitely some tiring days throughout recruitment. There are definitely some sad days and some happy days, but in the end, it was all worth it because I ended up in my home, Delta Delta Delta, and I'm so happy here. Everyone in this house is so kind and welcoming, and I couldn't ask for a better place to live. One piece of advice I would give to future Vandals is to trust the process. You're going to end up exactly where you're supposed to be. You're going to think it's so cliche when people tell you that, just as I did, because I had so many people saying, trust the process, and I was like, come on now. But it really is true because I did trust the process despite thinking it was a little bit cliche, and I ended up exactly where I was supposed to be, and I'm so happy here. Whether you're living in dorms, Greek life, or just adapting to the new college environment, you will end up where you're supposed to be because if you're yourself and you trust the process, there is a place for you here. Everyone is so welcoming, everyone's so kind, and I truly love the community here so much. And that's my little piece of advice. And one last thing, go Vandals and V's up.